Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to discuss about a topic which is regulated under SOLAS Chapter 5 Annex 24 and 25 titled Voyage Planning and Guidance for Voyage Planning, that is Passage Plan. It is a comprehensive berth-to-berth guide developed and used by the vessel's bridge team, and the purpose of it is to identify potential problems or hazards along the route. Steps of passage planning are as follows: appraisal, planning, execution, and monitoring. So these are the four key steps of passage planning. So first we will discuss about appraisal. So it takes place before the voyage begins. The officer of the watch, especially the second mates, create a detailed proposal for conducting passage. And the factors to consider before making passage plan are the captain's instruction, company's guidelines, marine environment, local regulations, and warnings, weather forecasts. The sources used in appraisal are the chart catalogs, including the load line chart, routing charts, etc. Admiralty sources like Admiralty sailing directions, Admiralty list of lights and fog signals, ocean passages of the world, tide tables and tidal atlas, notice to mariners, navigational warnings, mariner's handbook. The result of appraisal is provisional general track is obtained. Now we will discuss about planning stage. After completion of the appraisal, the OOW under the master's authority prepares a detailed plan for the passage. The plan is created by plotting the intended course on the charts of suitable scale, including pilotage waters, dangerous areas which includes wrecks, shallow waters, etc. Additional informations aiding safe navigation. Good practice includes marking rate of turn for waypoints, laying out parallel indexing ranges for suitable objects, clearly marking reporting areas on charts. Elements of planning phase includes no-go areas, margins of safety, charted tracks, course alteration and wheel over point, parallel indexing, abort and contingencies, clearing lines and bearing leading lines, tides and currents, and also includes the change in the engine status, minimum UKC, use of echo sounder, head mark and natural trans. So now we will be talking about the execution stage. Navigating officers put the prepared plan into action after departure speed is adjusted based on the estimated time of arrival, that is ETA, and expected weather conditions, oceanographic conditions. Speed adjustment ensures arrival at the port destination is not too early or late. Master must consider total voyage duration, available water and fuel, expected voyage conditions. Now we will be discussing about the monitoring stage. So it involves continuously checking the vessel's position to ensure it remains safe and within the safe distance from danger areas. It uses parallel indexing to maintain a safe distance from hazards. It requires close and continuous monitoring of the ship's progress along the pre-planned route to ensure safe voyage. Now, the navigating officers may need to deviate from the plan if necessary and must inform the master, take any necessary action to ensure the safety of the ship and its crew. This stage is crucial and requires personal judgment, good seamanship, experience. Teamwork from all deck officers is needed to maintain this stage. So this much is important on this topic and hope you have liked it. Thank you.